Hello guys, welcome to this session. Our chapter is compounds of metals. So far we're still discussing about the various uses of the metal oxides. We've seen some of the metal oxides with their uses. So today let's move on to this metal oxide, the aluminium trioxide. The various uses of the aluminium trioxide. Let's dive into it. The first one is this aluminium trioxide in the form of the bauxite is used as source of the aluminium. So this aluminium trioxide in this kind of form, the bauxite is used as source of the aluminium. The second one, owing its rough surface, we are talking about this, the aluminium oxide. The oxide is simply used as an abrasive. This means that it is used to rub or clean other surfaces. So the aluminium trioxide is used as a abrasive substance that is used to rub and clean other surfaces because of its rough surface. The third one that it is used as an adsorbent in chromatography. We will discuss about the chromatography in detail in our various next chapters. The other one that it is used in the cleaning of the furnaces as a refractory material because it has high melting point of about uh, 2040 degrees. So this is the other use of the aluminum trioxide used in the cleaning of the furnaces as because of its high melting point of 2,040,000 degrees. Uh, let's move on to the other metal oxide, its uses, the uses of the zinc oxide. Uh, the following are some of them. The zinc oxide is chiefly used in the manufacture of the paints and the pigments. So this is the main use of the zinc oxide, used in the manufacture of the paints and the pigments. In addition, the oxide is used also to manufacture the anti-corrosive coatings, the lubricants, adhesive batteries, fire retardants, plastic, cement, glass, and the ceramics as a component of the glazes. So this is the major or the chief use of the zinc oxide, as we've seen that in addition to the use of the manufacture of the paints and the pigments, it's also used in the manufacture of the various these anti-corrosive coatings, the lubricants, adhesive batteries, fire retardants. We are talking about those substances that retard the fire, the plastic, cement, glass, and the ceramics. The second use of this zinc oxide is used in the manufacture of rubber. Is mainly used to activate the vulcanization, which aims at improving the strength and the elasticity of the rubber. So that's how this manufacture of rubber is obtained or is being achieved by the use of this zinc oxide as mainly used in this activity of the vulcanization, which simply aims at the improving the strength and the elasticity of the rubber. The other use of the zinc oxide is in the manufacture of the cigarette filter. As a cigarette filter, zinc oxide it helps to remove the certain harmful components or compounds from the tobacco smoke without altering its flavor. So this is the other use of the zinc oxide used in these cigarettes. The other one is used in making the concrete. It helps to make the concrete more resistant to water. Besides the improving the processing uh, besides improving the processing time required for the making of the concrete. The other use in medical uses, the zinc oxide has these antibacterial properties, for which it is extensively used to treat a number of skin conditions. It is topically applied to provide relief in skin these irritations. Uh, this diaper rash, minor burns and cuts, and for dry and chapped skin. It is added to also this baby powder, anti-dandruff shampoos, as well as the antiseptic creams and the surgical tapes due to its uh, medicinal properties. In addition, also, together with this iron oxide, this zinc oxide is used to make the calamine solution. So that's how it's used in the medical uh, field or used as in these medical facilities. The other use there in uh, making the cosmetics, if you can say cosmetic uses, the most important use of the zinc oxide in the cosmetic industry is in the preparation of the sunscreen lotions and creams. Simply, this zinc oxide helps to in manufacture of these sunscreen lotions and the creams. Also, the zinc oxide can absorb the ultraviolet uh, uh, radiation of the sun and thereby protect the skin from the sunburn and the other damaging effects of the UV radiations. So that's all I have for this session. I hope that's all clear. Discussed about the uses of the metal oxide. We've seen the uses of the aluminium oxide, and then we've uh later on discussing the uses of the zinc oxide. I hope that's all clear, and thank you.